Good morning, class. Welcome to Vishnu Bhagwan e-learning app. Today, I will give you the summary of chapter 10, that is practical geometry. Okay, so just watch this video and follow the instruction what I have given you in this video. Okay, to construct a triangle. So, date 20. Date 19 September 2020. Okay, lesson 10, practical geometry. Okay, to construct the triangle, we use protractor, compass, ruler, pencil. Now, first question. Construct triangle ABC. Construct triangle ABC. AB is 4.5 centimeter. BC is 5 centimeter and AC is equals to 6 centimeter. You have to construct a triangle in which AB is equals to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equals to 5 centimeter and AC is equals to 6 centimeter. Now what you have to do first, just listen my instruction very carefully and then using that instruction then construct your triangle. So first of all, out of these three sides you have to take one side as a baseline, either 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. So we take AC as a baseline. AC, draw line segment AC of 6 centimeter. Okay, draw line segment AC of 6 centimeter. Then set your compass of radius 4.5 centimeter. Then set your compass for the radius 4.5 centimeter. Okay, here is your 4.5 AB. Now in AB, A point, put your compass needle at point A, here, at point here, and make an arc. Make an arc here. यहाँ कहीं एक आर्क कटेगा. Okay. Now set your compass for BC 5 centimeter. Set your compass for the radius 5 centimeter and put your compass at this point C and cut this arc somewhere here. The point where both the arc intersect is your point B. Now join AB and then join BC with your ruler. Okay, straight line होना चाहिए बिल्कुल. So AB length is how much? 4.5 centimeter and BC length is 5 centimeter. Here is your triangle in which when the three sides are given, this is one type of first type in which all the three sides are given. In the second type, if one angle is given you and two length and one angle is given you. यहाँ तो तीनों साइड दिए थे. अब क्या है कि सेकंड टाइप वाले में हो सकता है आपको एक एंगल दे दे और दो साइड दे दे. तो उसकी हेल्प से कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे आइए। ओके, सी द सेकेंड स्टेप। सेकेंड वन, construct triangle, construct triangle PQR in which PQ is equals to 3.5 centimeter, QR is equals to 5 centimeter, and angle PQR is equals to 60 degree. Now here is the rough sketch. If this is your triangle, if this is your PQ, this is your PQ, means this angle is how much given you? 60 degree. PQ length is 3.5 centimeter. QR length is 5 centimeter. So what you have to do, you have to take PQ और QR एज अ बेस लाइन, क्योंकि इन दोनों में से किसी एक को लेना होगा, क्योंकि बिकॉज इन बोथ आर लाइन सेगमेंट Q is the common point. Okay, and you have to draw the angle at Q is how much? 60 degree. So there must be the baseline have a point Q. जो बेस लाइन आप ले रहे हो उसमें Q पॉइंट होना चाहिए, क्योंकि एंगल आपको ड्रॉ करना है 60 डिग्री Q पर. तो आइदर वी कैन टेक PQ और QR. So we take QR or PQ. Draw line segment PQ of 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now what you have to do, set your compass for the radius 2 centimeter. Set your compass for the radius 2 centimeter and place your compass needle at point Q and make a semicircle like this. Okay, now in the next step, place your compass at this point, make an arc here. This is the arc of 60 degree. This is the arc of 60 degree. So what you have to do, you have to construct 60 degree. Here is your 60 degree. Just join this point and this point, one straight line. Okay, on this line there is some point R. इसी लाइन पर कहीं पॉइंट R है. Now the distance from R from Q is 5 centimeter. So now set your compass for the radius 5 centimeter. Then put your compass at point Q and make an arc here. Here is your point R. Now last step is yours. Join P and R. Okay. इसमें आपको एक पार्ट और मिलेगा. सपोज कंस्ट्रक्ट ट्राइंगल DEF such that DE is equals to 6 centimeter, DF is equals to 4 centimeter, and angle EDF is equals to 90 degree. EDF means 90 degree at angle D. So first what you have to do, first you have to draw the 90 degree at D. It means in the baseline there must be one end point D. So in this line segment D is also given, in this line segment D is also given. So you can take DE as a baseline, DE of 6 centimeter. Now at point D you have to construct angle 90 degree. So again set your compass for the radius 2 centimeter and place your compass needle at point D and make a semicircle like this. Okay, then without disturbing your compass, place your compass at this point here, make an arc of 60 degree, then place your compass here, place your compass until here and make an arc of 120 degree here. This is the angle of 60 degree and this is the angle of 120 degree. Now the bisector of this, you have to draw the angle of 90 degree. So the bisector of 120 and the 60 is 90 degree. So place your compass at this point, make an arc here, then place your compass at 120 degree and cut this arc somewhere here. Now this point and this point, just join this. This is your 90 degree. This is sine of 90 degree. Okay, now on this line there is some point F. So distance of F from D is how much? 4 centimeter. Now set your compass of radius 4 centimeter and make an arc here. This is your point F. Now the last step is join F and E. Okay, 4 centimeter. Clear all of you? Now the third step, third triangle. Third triangle is construct triangle PQR such that PQR is equal, angle PQR is equals to 60 degree, QR is equals to 5 centimeter and PRQ is 75 degree. Now here two angles are given you and one line segment. So just take the line segment here, baseline QR. QR is equals to how much? 5 centimeter. Now at angle Q you have to draw 60 degree, construct 60 degree. At point R you have to construct 75 degree. So set your compass for the radius 2 centimeter. Place your compass at point Q. Make a semicircle like this. Same for here also. Okay. First of all, for the 60 degree, place your compass at this point and make an arc of 60 degree here. So just join this one angle. This is your angle of 60 degree. Here write like this one, 60 degree. Okay. Now at point R you have to construct 75 degree. So first of all make an arc of 60 degree, then make an arc of 120 degree. Okay. Now the bisector of this one is how much? 90 degree. So take the bisector. बाइसेक्टर लेना है आपको, हमने अभी पिछले क्वेश्चन बताया कैसे लेना है. इसको हम 90 डिग्री को डॉटेड करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि बिकॉज ये हमारा फिक्स्ड एंगल नहीं है. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ 75 डिग्री. सो this line, this 90 degree helps you to construct in 75 degree. So that's why we take the dotted line. Now place your compass at this point and make an arc here. Then place your compass at 60 degree and cut this arc. This is your, and just join R and this point. Okay, this is your 75 degree. Okay, and the point where both angle intersect is the point P. So PQR and triangle is construct. Okay, so just watch this video. This video help to construct the triangle for the chapter practical geometry. Okay, thank you class.